Hello YouTube. I've got a 4052R John Deere cab tractor, and it did not come with backup lights on it, backup work lights. So I thought it'd be pretty easy. I bought these aftermarkets online, screwed them into the screws that were in the turn signal lights underneath, and plugged them into an existing wiring harness that was already there. So I thought, yeah, that's easy. So I thought all I would have to do is turn it on the dash, but that's not the case. So let me tell you what I found. You have to order a switch. This one right here, MIA 10204. It's 39 bucks. I got this one off Amazon, but it's a John Deere part. You can get it at John Deere. So then you have to take the screws out here, here, and one back here. And then this whole dash here kind of pops up. You got to pop it up right here. And then you get underneath here, and there's a wiring harness underneath there marked backup lights, backup work lights. So all you gotta do is plug it in, pop this cover off, and pop your switch in. There's the new one right there. And then everything works. But you still have to turn it on the dash. And voila. If I'd have known that, it'd have been a lot easier, but I couldn't find any YouTube videos. That's why I'm posting this one. So you do have to buy a switch and put it on the dash, and everything's underneath this dash here. All right? Have a good day, guys.